Draw yourself free by forgiving yourselves and others. Stop carrying the burden of guilt or anger any longer. I am sorry for having been mean to myself. I am sorry. I am sorry for wanting to please. I am sorry for making myself small. I am sorry for having been mean to myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive me. I love myself. I love me. I love myself. I love me. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. I am sorry for having been mean to myself. I forgive myself. I forgive me. I love myself. I love me. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. Draw soft flowing lines from the outside of your paper inside. Connect your topic to the environment, to everything that is. Make sure that you connect all intersections carefully by rounding. Let your lines flow organically and feel into the energy of each line. Add colors that support your topic at this moment. Choose intuitively which color you need in your drawing at this moment. take a pen that is a little thicker than your original lines and draw a more visible line that flows through the whole drawing. This field line invites universal love and wisdom to your drawing. Decide on one of the layers of your forgiveness to emphasize with a thicker line and go over and over again. Emphasize your layer that you have chosen with shading to make it the most visible shape in your drawing, the center of your drawing. Now it's time to bring your drawing to a state of beauty and completion. You can add shading, more color, and more lines where and if needed. Oftentimes we are very hard on ourselves, so forgiving ourselves is an effective tool to empower ourselves. Ensure that we forgive our own shortcomings and bring ourselves into balance in order to move on peacefully. If you have collected all the information, you know, and yet you are not acting in alignment with your values and your true self, Maybe your mind, your emotions, and your nervous system are still somehow in the way. This is for you. Start having a weekly appointment with yourself. Recharge, reconnect, and move on in your daily life. From now to now to now to now. Now.